Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Android version and installing the app you want to use as default because behavior varies slightly by release. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Apps or Apps and Notifications. From there, select See All Apps, locate the app that currently opens by default, and tap it. Make sure to use the system app list, not a shortcut. This first step exposes the defaults area where you'll change intent handlers. Once on the app page, find Open by Default or Default Settings. This is where the system stores intent bindings. Tap Clear Defaults or Clear Opening links to remove the current association so you get the just once/always choice again. If you prefer a new permanent handler, open a matching file or link, choose the other app, and tap Always to assign it. Make sure to test by opening the same content type to verify the change. To finish, test by opening the content type you changed. You should see the chooser or your new default. If the system still forces an app, clear the settings or package installer cache and reboot because lingering caches can lock defaults. Once done, make sure not to tap Always unintentionally. If problems persist, use Reset App Preferences to restore all defaults, then reassign only the ones you want. That fixes stubborn bindings without factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.